Am I wrong for trying to ruin my dad's relationship? I, female 22, have a best friend, Emily, female 23. We've been best friends for over 4 years now, and we do everything together. I've invited her to my dad's house, my mom's house. She's basically met my entire family. We went on vacations. We sleep over each other's houses all the time. I mean, we're basically together every single day. Now, here's the problem. I took Emily over to my dad's house and she met him for the first time on New Year's Eve. Immediately, I could see that she was fixated on him. She kept on going on and on about how much she loves his house, and she just kept telling me that she was going to make my dad her sugar daddy one day. I completely laughed it off because I thought it was just a ridiculous joke. But later on, I find out that her and my dad have been secretly dating for 5 months after I introduced her to him. I saw both of them during these 5 months, and neither one of them thought it was a good idea to tell me that they were dating. Now, keep in mind that my dad is a 55-year-old grandfather. I cannot believe that he would be dating one of my best friends. Now, ever since their relationship went public, my dad and Emily have been going on trips all around the world, to Mexico, to Italy. He is literally doing things for her that he never did for me, as he was a terrible father. Me and him always butt heads, and I've always wanted a better relationship with him, but he has never done anything to make it go any better. Not only are they dating, but they asked one of my other friends to join into their relationship so they can have like some weird trio thing. And ever since then, he's been inviting more of my friends on vacations with him. So I decided to get on my TikTok and completely blast their relationship. I told everyone the gold digger that Emily was and that my dad was just some creep that was dating a young girl. The video got over 800,000 views, and now everyone is attacking my dad and Emily. And now I just found out that Emily is pregnant with my dad's kid. I am so mad, I don't even know what to do anymore.